Save Dogs. Today we're going to talk about how to walk your dog. And here's why. If you want a dog you're proud of, other people admire, and other dog owners are envious of, then this is the first step towards that goal. Even better, quick, easy, and fun. Obviously, walking your dog is something you do every day. However, walking your dog is more than giving your pal a bathroom break. Walking is bonding. A walk is where you establish who is pack leader. And if you watch how the majority of people walk their dogs, or rather how their dogs walk them, you know who the dogs think is pack leader. What's the problem with that? The problem is that you could wind up with the dog from hell. Here's why. Most dogs don't want to be pack leader. And if you force them into this alpha role, they become nervous, neurotic, and even destructive. On the other hand, if you have a big, dominant dog that does want to be boss, you could wind up with even bigger problems: disobedience and aggression. Now, if this is the kind of relationship you want with your dog, you can stop watching this video now. But if you want a dog that walks beside you, that you're proud of, and other dog owners are envious of, then keep watching. You'll quickly see how easy it is to have a dog that doesn't try to pull you down the street, that doesn't stop at every hydrant, jump on strangers, or bark at other dogs, but does look to you to be the leader. Now, if this is the kind of dog relationship you want, then this is the most important training lesson you and your pal will ever participate in. To start, you'll need two pieces of equipment: a training collar and a short training leash. The best ones I found are available at discount on WeSaveDogs.com. Now let me show you how to use them. Go. To hold the dog, you want to slip your thumb in the loop and then fold your hand over it. This way, no matter what, the dog can't pull away. It's a perfect way, even with a big dog like Imani, she can never pull away. Next, you want to have her in the sitting position before you go, and you want to get her to go, I say, foos, and make a step. And then we walk. If I want to stop, I simply stop, she sits. Excellent job. And as a treat, since she did so well, I give her a little piece of turkey jerky. Yeah.